goes back to gender stereotypes.
Yeah.
You know, I'll even say there's like a war on women, a war on men.
Okay.
Right? Even, you know, to take it to the extreme. But like the gender stereotypes, right? When we judge men, we like consider them to be toxic males, and women we say that they're crazy. It's like a way to minimize and overgeneralize how people are.
Yeah, but here's the difference. Like if you're toxic, then that's fixable, but if you're crazy, it's not. So it's like when for women, you're really going at like their
I would
who
say
they are.
No, I would say that when you're using those terms, that they're both almost unfixable. You know, where does all this come from? I mean, we know where this toxic masculinity comes from. This is like a new wave, right? Of like this war.
Yeah, where does it come
war
from?
War on men,
You're
right?
right.
I mean, men have to be softer, and you know, just being upset or aggressive is somehow unacceptable, right?
Well, maybe not aggressive. Like assertive is not even allowed for
like
men.
Being assertive is being aggressive now. Just
Right.
like when a woman, you know, we would say if a woman was assertive before, you know, that she was crazy, right? But it's interesting, like where this comes from, because crazy comes from hysteria, and you know, women have certainly got the raw deal, right? For, you know, thousands of years. So the word hysteria is very interesting. It means uterus, okay? And when we say like somebody's hysterical, we say they're crazy, but it's a Greek word that means uterus. And it really comes from this term of crazy, comes from this thought that a woman is crazy because there's a wandering uterus. And the way to make her not crazy, okay, or not hysterical, is to bring that uterus back in place. And the Egyptians even used perfumes to like try to get her uterus to fall back in place. But then we go back to Freudian times in the 1900s where they would use like electrical devices like vibrators and manual stimulation when you had these crazy patients, and physicians would do this to bring the uterus back in place. I mean, really, you know, an arcane method of
So your
treatment.
suggestion, if your significant other is a woman and she's acting a little crazy, go buy her a vibrator and some perfume.
Well,
fix it.
I mean, that, you know, I wonder if